Oh my god, I have no idea what happened. For some reason, OBS crashed at some point, and I have no idea where it went. So, that's awesome. On the good news, the monitor seems to be updating, so that's epic. So I want to really real quickly reconnect the OBS because I don't know what the hell happened, but I guess my internet maybe died at some point and OBS couldn't handle it. So let's fix that, I suppose. Apologies to anybody who might have been watching. Let's see, pop out chat, copy the link, get that out of here, paste in the new link because YouTube is fun and doesn't have static links. And now my OBS sorting is gerfunkled. Whoop. There we are. Updated that. Okay, stream is now fixed. Fixed the blue screening issue on that monitor, so that's awesome. Okay. I think we're okay now. My mic is being detected. My music playlist is going. I think they're good. Yeah. Right. So back to implementing Pro. I'm not sure how much went wrong, so I'll basically recap just real quickly for those of you who care. Long story short is creating a color, or not a color wheel, a new entity today, the crow. The crow is effectively going to follow an ellipse pattern where basically it will go towards a target, and then once it's within range of said like target, it'll get the closest like axis of symmetry, which in this case would be, you know, the x-axis right here, aka the middle of the screen. And then it will follow an arc to go counter to that. Sort of like that, if that makes sense. So it's kind of like a switchback, sort of almost. And then that way the crow should hopefully add some sort of, you know, interesting stuff to the, you know, game. So that's where I'm currently at. So currently, I'm not sure how long the stream is off for, so that's awesome. But what I'll be doing is I will be taking the, I'm basically remaking the script from scratch just because I want to make sure I got like a good understanding of the fundamentals. But yeah, the idea. So, let's go from there. So let's see, what was my plan? So how did I get the player last time? The player was on ready. I want to say, we'll save that, and then I'll go back to Neovim, because I prefer Neovim massively. Yeah, so now that we're here, we can go over here. Var start underscore pause is equal to nothing yet, because you got to be ready. On ready, we will say start underscore position is equal to get underscore node player. Okay, so after get node player, trying to think if there's anything silly going on. I don't think so. Go with the flow, leave it in your hand. Okay, so let's see. So we're here. We need to then, let's fix that because that subtle highlighting is going to bother me a heck ton. What from there? So we now need to hop into, what do you call it? We now need to hop into, okay, so did we subscribe yet, or did that not save yet? Sorry, I'm trying to like get all my bearings back because I don't know exactly what went wrong. So that's just a huge pain in the, okay, so we didn't do that yet. So we will do, oh no, we created it right here. So that's that. So now we just want to say, I don't know, I'm on the unload section, that doesn't make sense. So then we want, the start position doesn't matter actually, it's the end position that we want. End position, var start underscore pause is equal to self dot position. Okay. So, after we got the start position, what we then want to do is say you're actually the end position. End position, and then after we got the end position, holy crap. So we have the end position. The end position, I then want to then do the whole A-tan thing of, you know, so the math for this would be, what would it be? It'd be like self dot velocity, I think is what it was. Wasn't it velocity? Oh, I know I said I don't want to look this up, but I just don't remember the command, so I want to get that. So let's go Batto. Let's uncompress these. Self dot linear velocity. Okay, so I don't actually want the car. I don't want the car. Download the car. You don't need the car. It's like 5 megabytes of data, man. Like, go away. Go away. I don't want. Go away. Go back. Go home. I don't want. Yep, there it is. Crow. I want the GD. Okay, so self dot linear underscore velocity. Velocity. I'm pretty sure it's like that. Tab, new. Then we're gonna go here. We're gonna go Batto because holy heck. Self dot linear velocity. Oh, it's a rigid body. Where's the rigid body on the Batto? Oh, the parent's a rigid body. Okay, I thought it was an area 2. Oh no, the player's in area 2D and we're translating that. Yes. Okay, can I change the area 2D to something else? Change type. Rigid body 2D. There we are. And then extends rigid body to 2D. Okay, and then we'll go back into here, move the crow over here. Then we're gonna pull up Wes terminal again. Load file, please. Okay, we can quit you. Okay, so now that this is proper, self dot linear underscore velocity. Look at that, now it works. Is equal to a vector 2 dot right. And then the right will be the value of A102, which will be start underscore pause. I do not want to listen to the caramel dancing right now. Let's see. This is a good song. So that'd be end underscore pause dot y minus start underscore pause dot y comma space end underscore pause dot x minus end start start underscore pause dot x. I don't need to do that. And then I want to then multiply that by remote was so easy. So easy. Launch yourself now. Take it easy. With your weapon. There's your weapon. One word, and it's over. Let's see. And through like a missile, ripping through my heart, brought me up this life. Raise your weapon. Alright, I need to stop singing now. Max underscore velocity of 0, followed by min underscore max underscore velocity. In the first position, please. Do I need to end that? Okay, I definitely need to break the A10 thing up. Let's go back to where that was, and then we will go to the other parent bracket, please. Okay, yep, that makes sense to me. Right is called on a function, but is a vector 2. Tab new. Let's go to battle. Dot rotated. That's what the issue was. So right dot rotated. There we are. Okay, so that should spawn the crow. That should get a random velocity. This right here should basically point it towards the player and send it. So that's cool. I actually turn my brightness down. That's awesome. So after we then send the crow a direction, what do we do? After we send the crow a direction, what we then need to do is we then need to... that'd be a per frame thing, so that wouldn't be really something that I need to worry about. So basically I would say... okay, I need to get player dot global underscore position. And then I need to do, what is it? I need to do if within, like, plus minus a certain amount. So, let's see. I'll make this var, margin is equal to, margin underscore min underscore max is going to be equal to, no, that should be a specific value. So the margin value should be, do I want to be pixels or do I want to be something more ambitious? I think pixels would be best. I think just like 10, and then we'll export it just to be safe. Okay, so we now have an export. I feel now to watch it burn. Okay, so now per frame, what we're going to do is we will say... I just realized my terminal isn't lined up to the side of the screen. There we are. Let's see. Let's find the vibe of the song. Ooh, I like the lyrics to this one. This is a very early time song, but it's a good one. Okay, so then per frame, I want to see if self dot position is less than. Yeah, so basically just see if it crossed the line, I guess. That'd be a relatively lazy way to do it. I still wanna be a spaceman, explore a distant land, as we contemplate the credible, unfold the master plan. Oh, I need to stop singing so I can think. So, if self-dot position is less than... I'm trying to think. So, it would be the... didn't I swap you out? Rigid body 2D, I'm pretty sure is what it was. Oh, is it because the scale's gone Wurnkle? And by scale gone Wurnkle, I just mean like the thing itself has gone Wurnkle. It's not happy about that. I'm pretty sure that's what that's about. Okay, yeah. So size changes will be overridden. So there's that. Okay, whatever. We can make the little crows small, I guess. Is this? So let's see. If self-dot position is less than... I'm trying to think how I want to do this. End underscore pause dot x. No, that wouldn't really be within that. I'm trying to think. Is like, I've never actually had to do a range check, so I'm trying to see how that would work. I guess it'd just be a really basic of like if like self dot position is less than end underscore pause dot x, I think is what I'm thinking of, is less than x minus margin, or self dot position is greater than end underscore pause dot x plus margin, I think would work. So let's see. So then we got all this. So now we have this. I'm on the indented block of dot. Calm down. So now that we're here, let's see. I'm trying to think of how I would want to do this. Because I want to rotate it over time, right? I don't want it to be just like a flat thing. So I'm trying to think of how I might implement this in a more creative manner, so to say. So how would I put this? Oh wait, I just realized I think these commands would be opposite. Boink or boink. I'm gonna move you up because I just like the way you look more. Okay. You got an indent, don't worry. Maybe because it wasn't tabbed or something. Actually, speaking of which, let me do a block. A capital B block. There we are. Okay, so now we're here. I basically just want to alter the rotation, so the easiest way to do that would be to... I'm trying to think. So, how would I rotate a whatchamacallit 180 degrees? How do I rotate a radian 180 degrees? How to rotate a radian 90 degrees? Because that's actually 90 that I'm thinking of. Magic number. Sure, let's go for it. So what I'm thinking is if that's true, I basically just want to alter the velocity. So, whoops, paste you. That is, whoops, 08 is, roughly equal to, whoops, I had it over here, is approximately equal to 90 degrees. So, with that being said, basically what I want to do is I want to take this whole thing here, and then I want to say, okay, this is where the math gets a little bit funner. So I want the players thing, and I'm just trying to think. So I'm thinking of, if that happens, I want to then do... How would I do a one-shot? I'm trying to think if there's a more elegant way to do a one-shot sort of thing instead of just an if statement every frame, but I don't think that's actually reasonable. Okay, let's do this then. Let's do, what do you call it? Let's see, init, underscore, degrees, var init degrees is equal to, what would it be? It'd be like self dot rotation, I guess. Let's just print this, I guess, and see what comes out. Pro rot is gonna be that, and then init underscore degrees. Let's see. Actually, init degree should be over here. So var init underscore degrees. Alright, so at the end of this, I want to then sign init underscore degrees equal to self dot rotation. Okay. No, because that actually wouldn't be the rotation, because the rotation would always turn 0 due to that. So I guess I'll just redo the math. It's not the most efficient thing to do by a long shot, but I mean, like, hey, I'm lazy. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there's that. From there, so I basically just want to, whoops, v yank. I then want to paste. Delete you. Trying to think of what I want to do. I don't like that song that much. Let's see. Did the stream die? I'm gonna check the stream real quickly because I seen something happen and that's scaring me. Are we still live? No, we seem to still be live. Okay, awesome. Okay, so the stream seems to be really delayed for whatever reason, so that's no fun. But I guess we'll have to deal with it. So we now have the init degree set. So with the initial degree set, how do I want to do this? I want to then do beaches all washed up in bleach. The waves are rising for this time of year. Let's see. So we're gonna say linear velocity is. So we're gonna get the first time this triggers. We're gonna say we're gonna create a variable called init time, var init underscore time, and then what we'll do is we'll say we'll get the value of delta first, delta, and then we'll say init underscore time is equal to delta. The function statement doesn't match the parent. The parent is underscore ready, returns void. Okay, well, let's see. So we'll delete that. If init underscore time is equal to nil, I think is what it was, or was it null? Null, then we want to say init underscore time is equal to delta, else continue. I did this in a C notation. God damn it. Or Lisp notation, whatever it is. You get the idea. So we have the Lisp notation noted. Wait, I just realized something else that might be shiza. Let me make sure. I opened the wrong application. Go wait. No, let's say that too. Alright, fair enough. Alright, sorry, I saw something that scared me, so I do not want to waste the, that is really delayed for whatever reason. Okay. Carrying on. Wait, why is that so delayed? Like, actually, though. Arc? Oh, because it keeps jumping back to, like, the same page there. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. Yep, that's cool and dandy and all that wonderful stuff. Okay. Rhinestones falling from the sky. Okay, so we've now done that. Else we can ignore. So now that we're here, what do we want to do now that we're here? Let's grab another Peepus, because Peepus is like epic. Let's see. Here we go again. Out of control, nothing holds you down, then I'm out of control. If I can figure you out and I'm out of control, and want you to take me, mold me and shape me, 'cause I'm ready to evolve. No, not evolve. I need to stop being so into music, but music is so good, it tickles my brain in the funny ways that feel good. Okay, let's actually carry on. So, let's see. So we're going to do, I'm trying to think. So, how would I want to do this? I'm thinking, do I want the angle to be fixed, or do I like a fixed rotation? I guess if they're going faster, that would automatically change the arc, because it'll be the same rotation time, but it'll be depending on their speed. So that actually works out for me. So I'm just gonna say end time. So I'm gonna say var end underscore time. And I'm gonna say 23 down, and I'm gonna say end underscore time is equal to delta plus time dot seconds. seconds. Oh, I have no idea how to add seconds in Godot, so that's gonna be awesome. Let's do that real quickly. Godot, add seconds to, delta time. Oh, it's a time since your last frame. Okay, so... Not delta time, just time, I think is what it is. Godot time. Not good date time. Godot, get time. Let's see. Yeah. See, this is... that makes complete sense. Is time by default Unix time? I don't actually know that, so I guess we'll see. So let's get on to Unix time. So that would be end time. Sorry, init time would be time dot Unix. You know, I'm just gonna wing it, and we can just see if the crows just turn on a point. So then we'll say time plus frickin', I don't know, I'm thinking like a second for the turn. So let's do that as an export real quickly. At export var turn underscore time is equal to a value, let's just say 1, because that should be 1 second. Invalid operations for GP native class, dot get, I'm trying to think which one I would want. Wait, let's just do this. Godot, Godot do thing in X seconds, and see what we can get from there. Is there a way to stop? This race of such beauty, lipstick and dollars and it's nuts and malice and darling, you're a million ways to be cruel. Timer dot start. Alright, let's just do this. Godot get Unix time. Let's see. Maybe OS will work like that, like how they're kind of suggesting. OS dot get underscore Unix. No. Time dot get underscore Unix underscore time underscore from underscore system. We'll yank paste that and we'll say end time is equal to that plus turn underscore time. Yep. And then what we'll do then is we'll then say, I'm trying to think what to do. So it would be not the random speed, it would be you know what, we can make this turning be a little jank. Actually, no, let's just do this. We'll just set speed to say, I don't want to say max, but a little bit under max. So we'll say like 300. Actually, no, we'll do the exact middle. We'll do min underscore max underscore velocity 0 times min underscore max underscore vel 1, and then I want to take both of those. And then I want to divide by 2, and then I want to then take that, and then I want to say whatever that value is. No, that'll be the speed after it starts turning. So it might get a speed boost or a speed nerf. And then on the rotation, I want to set the rotation to whatever it's going to be in radians. However, I want to times that by, I want to do init underscore time divided by, time dot get underscore Unix underscore time underscore from underscore system. And then I want to say, divide that by end underscore time. So then I want to say, I want to add that to whatever the heck this is, which will be, not turn time, what is it? It would be the magic number. So 1.5708. Because yeah, that would slowly incrementally add that until the value's reached. And then after 1 second it should be done. So then we'll do this. And then we'll add an and statement here. And time dot get underscore Unix underscore time underscore from underscore system is less than or equal to end underscore time. I don't think I actually need a time for anything. If end time is equal to null, end time is equal to null, I can then get rid of init degrees. Oh, that's supposed to be a times there, because that's the speed. So that's the angle. That's a lot of math for a lot of something stupid. Alright, I guess we're gonna break this either way. So A10 will be... Oh, that's another good song. Why must you do this to me? A10 plus... Love is in the fire, breathing in the hot soak, and in the eyes. I don't know, I opened up the stream there. That's weird. That's crazy. We want godot. So then from here, so we'll do that. Else, else is just gonna be exiting. Print, leaving scene, pro, leaving scene. Yes, I think that's fine. I don't see anything wrong with it. What I'll actually do is I'll set the initial velocity to be a, what do I want to call it? Times rand, not times rand f, plus rand f, and then I'll call this one export var accuracy is going to inherently be equal to, so if 1 is equal to 90 degrees, I'll do like 0.3. Which will then be randef times accuracy. Everything I love falls away from me, and that's from you. Nothing ever hurts like you. So we got a bit of randomness now. So what I then need to do is I need to say var angle is equal to this function now, because we've now transcended past the point of whatever the heck that is. Whoops. And then we'll just say angle times all that. And then we'll say init degree is also equal to angle. And then, yep, that's fine by me. That's a physics thing, so that should be fine, I think. Because I don't think I do per frame calculations on this. Then I'll check with the Bado script, but I don't think I have to do delta time. No, I don't. It's just kind of the engine deals with the thing. So we'll denote that with an underscore. And I think we're okay. Let's see if Crow is completely butchered. Wait, so I got bat spawning, but the crow isn't spawning. So why is the crow not spawning? Let's see. So we got the scores. So if score is less than 10, I want to create a crow. But it's never used. Oh, because I need to do, let's see. Crow dot position is equal to mob underscore spawn underscore location. And then I want to do add underscore child crow. Okay, that should work now. That seemed like a relatively simple error, so unless there's a bigger issue somewhere else buried in the stream thing, not the stream, the frickin' logic, then yeah. Let's see, invalid assignment of property key position with the value of type follow path 2D on base, that, okay. What's the errors here? Standard expression may have no effect, okay. Parent node is busy, add less new children, yeah, that's fine, that's an error for another time. So what we then need to do now is we then need to go to... Is that actually the issue? Oh, look at that. Mob spawn location. Is that not... Oh no, I need to do like mob spawn rotation. Or... Oh no, start position. Never mind. Start underscore just pause. Cool. Okay, there we are. Okay, so from here, we now have all this running. Let's try reload this and see what happens. See if something cool happens. I would hope so. Alright, so we're having another error. Cannot connect on a null value. Okay. Visible on-screen notifier 2D. Visible, is that? It's my dyslexia kicking in. Awesome. Visible. That should work now. Simple typo fixed. Alright, now there's actual error something. And position equals get no player. Okay, on Bado, how did I get the player position? Get parent underscore player pause. Okay. So that's what I did. I just had the parent reference it. So I need to just do end position is equal to get underscore parent dot player underscore pause. Because I believe that's the variable that I named it. And I need to assign the hit registration as well too, but that should be good. What did I do wrong? Use time for system was turn time. What's the issue here? Callable and int. Okay. Can't I just say something like that? And then easy peasy? Okay. I don't know what the issue there would be. Whoop. Int callable. Okay, so how do I get a string value from time dot get Unix system time, whatever? So let's do this. We'll hop over to Arc. We'll create a new tab. And then in the new tab, we want to just refer to the documentation because that'd probably be best. Let's find a song that doesn't suck the booty. Did I feel you? Did I go sit all alone? No tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll be gone. Till I love you. Do you ever tell me more? I wasn't sure about me at all. Let's see. Okay, get use time from string const. Okay, so does it maybe just want to be called? And then it returns the value? God, JavaScript just had me so messed up in the brain hole. Let's see. I'll take you with me wherever I go. Give you company, but what do I know? No bullet for me. I know that I still get. Oh, because I did margin. No, margin should be an absolute value, isn't it? Oh, because I put it in square bracket. Because I'm a silly bean. We are the bean of silly here. Capital bean sillage. Vector 2 and float. What's the issue here? Self-opposition dot x. Okay. Dot x. And let's see. So then I need to go like this, like that. Yank, paste. And then I'm just gonna go back here. I'm gonna save this real quickly. I'm gonna then hop into WesTerm because WesTerm is so much nicer. I'm then gonna hop down to where it's all angy. And then we're gonna go add an or statement there. We're gonna really quickly change these to y. There we are. That should be happy. Yeah, so that's just checking the grid. That should be okay, I think. If position Y is less than position Y plus margin. Yeah, I think that should work. It might not, but I think it should work. I think my logic works out. With you, I'm dreaming of your life, not tomorrow. Unable to call callable and float on divide. Yes, because the Unix system time thing. Because I need to call it as a function, so I get the value out of it. You do this it all alone. No tomorrow. Oh, I thought I saw a crow for a second. I was all excited. So the crow is unloading almost instantly, which is weird. Why is the bats also... Oh no, those are the random bats, that's why. So let's see. Take you with me, wherever I go. I keep you company, but what do I know? Take no bullet for me, but I know that I still care. Alright, we're gonna ignore all that for now, because we need to get back to here. So, why are the crows instantly despawning? Alright, so... Let's see, I'm gonna print the position of the crows real quickly. Crow underscore pause is equal to self dot position. I'm gonna say global position. Global underscore position. And let's run that. That looks like it's spawning basically off screen. No, not always. Crow unloaded. Okay, so why is the crow unloading instantly? Because I'm calling this one on screen exited. Visible on screen notifier 2D. Visibility. Visible off by default, I think, is the issue. Because I need to wait for it to toggle the other way, I think, is the issue. That would make sense to me, at least. I'm not seeing any crows spawn. If they were aiming for me, they should be accurate. I know we did add some randomness, but they should be close, like, visible. So what's going on with, say, the crows? We got the crow. How big should they be compared to the screen? Okay, they might just be too tiny to even see. Okay, so let us say, you know, I'm gonna make all of these connected to you. No, I don't want you to be actually invisible. I want you to be... There's something I was thinking. It's like, by default... Do I want invisible first? Process inherit. Interpolation, auto-translate, editor description. Alright, I think I just want visible to be off. I guess worst case scenario, I can just show you. Deriv node. Okay, so that needs to go up to here. Alright. Anyway, so we would then want to take the animated sprite, and then we want to basically make it like 5 times as big, because I just want to actually be able to see the crow. And then we can make you quite a bit bigger by comparison. We can make you a scale of 1. We can unlock you because you can be static. And then, I don't know why you actually have a scale. That makes very little sense to me. But anyways, and then we can create the collision to be bigger. Think about there. And then let's click play and see what happens this time. Function on ready. Okay, so because it's invisible, I think it's unhappy. So if I reload, is it happy? The flesh. I cannot connect nillable. You know, why don't I just make the sprite bigger? That makes very little sense, actually, now that I think about it. Let's just make you 1. And then, what am I missing? I'm missing something silly. What is something silly I'm missing? I'm missing... The lights at the shadow, visualize it. I feel it's something to do. First, well, a birdie girl, visualizing. I feel something to do. No, okay, so that should be all good now. I feel something to do. Good and going harder, visualizing. I feel there's something to do. Oh, they are human. Holy shit. Those crows go fast. Holy shit. Let's see. Let's maybe fix that real quickly. Okay, so let's see. Linear velocity is equal to that times all of that. Okay, let's adjust that real quickly, because holy shit. Okay, what's the... How did I do it on the bat? Because I could have sworn I did in the same way. Oh, I didn't add a comma. No, I did add a comma. I'm just gonna paste this back, and then we'll see what the difference is. So, I said one for up, but I think that's fine. Yeah, because I added 90 to it, so that's whatever. That's at the shadow, visualizing, feeling something to do. Get squish with a booty girl, visualizing, I feel something to do. Did I set the min-max different? No, min-max is about the same. It's, you know, maybe it's the 400. Maybe the 400 is making it go extra noom. So something to do. Peanut butter jelly. Ooh, that was aggressive. Holy shit. That's when panic happens. That's when panic just ensues. Okay, let's see. So what do I do from there? I'm thinking. It is times, isn't it? Like if I go back to Wes turn. I did say right instead of up. Maybe it's just unhappy about that. What if I do up? I don't think that'll be happy, but let's give it a shot. Visualizing, it's feeling something to do. Oh, thank God the crows are inaccurate. Oh, they're all Newman a random direction. Okay, that's... I think I messed up the, oh yes, self dot, global underscore position. That should help it out a bit, a wee bit, that bit. No, you're actually being silly. Okay. What if we then did, we go into Wes term, nymp over script, we go to Bato underscore angry. We then open up all this goop. Let's see, what is the goop that we are looking for? We're looking for the math.connect kill all self on kill all. Oh, main dot. Okay, yeah. You know what? I'm just going to be lazy. I'm going to do some of this. I'm going to do some of that. I'm going to go to ready. I'm going to just give this a little paste here. That's the wrong ready. Boink. Yep. And then I'm just going to do that. Identifier main. $sign pain. I guess I do get underscore parent dot connect. That makes sense to me. Okay, so then what was the logic I used for this? Linear velocity. Rotated crow. Linear velocity right, so I was right about the right part. Right, angle randef. Min-max velocity. Min-max velocity. Why are they going so heckin' noom? You know what? You know what? It's probably something to do with this, and I probably have some messed up logic somewhere. So let's do this. Let's just first off make sure that I have the crows going somewhat proper. They have gravity. Where's that gravity? Where's that gravity? Gravity scale 0. I recognize that issue from before. You know what? I didn't set the, I didn't delete the old one, I think. No, I did. Okay. What if we make this like 0.1? Because that should be accurate enough. And then we'll just say take out all of this for now, and just make sure that it actually works somewhat. And then we'll see how that goes and see what happens. Doink, 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 doink. They all seem to be going a pretty static direction. That seems like some unhappy decisions. They're also like losing their velocity. Oh, you know, they probably bumped into each other or something and they're losing velocity because like it like changed their physics. Okay, so let's see. So what the heck could be wrong with you in the velocity? I guess we could up you back up to 400, but there's something wrong with the angle. Angle is the A10 thing. The ATAN thing should be fine, honestly. I know I'm kind of doing the math, like, on here, but, like, that should be fine. Where the heck was it here? Because it should be here. Direction. Direction is equal to end position minus start position. Alright. Let's see. Let's see. Let's do var direction is equal to, end underscore pause minus, start underscore pause. And then after that, we then want to just say, dir. No, something I'm definitely messing with dir. Direction X and the Y. Let's see. So, welcome back. Only on works on plus S1, otherwise the subtracted, yeah, I mean, I had it working the other day, so, direction dot Y divided, not divided by, comma, direction dot X. Yeah, no, I got it all working. I'm just trying to recall what I did yesterday because my brain be like a snow globe. So, trying to figure out what the heck's going on now. You know, you don't have to prove me wrong on stream, you know, that's not very nice. No, what was wrong with this? It was literally just this. I had the thing right here. Yeah, it's just direction is equal to end position minus start position. That's direction X, Y, and then direction X. And that's both global positions as far as I can tell. Because end position is get player position. Yep, that should be a global reference. The start position should be self.global position. That's on load. Oh no, you know what? You know what? It probably isn't being instantiated properly. So we'll do start underscore pause is equal to self.global underscore position. Alright, that in my mind is probably what the issue was. That makes a good chunk of sense for the most part. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, now the crows are flying at me. Caca! There we go. I replace your tap water with bone hurting juice. Yeah, that sounds like something that would be wonderful for me. That sounds very much like something you do. I am a dodgy little deer. Woo! I am deer that dodges. Ah. Okay, so that's awesome. So we also have the kill all. How goes the Raven creating already? So this will seem very boring at a glance, but what I did is I just recoded the Raven logic from scratch, or the go to the player by scratch thing. So now everything's homing effectively to the player. So you can see that, like, you know, everything basically swarms a player. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out, basically, like, what I want it to do is I want it to say, like, hey, when it gets to this position, then, like, arc is effectively it. So, what I then want to do is I want to go back and debug this function that I made earlier, because earlier function is pain. So let's see, let's go 16 up, and then we'll go out a few, and then we'll go delete. Okay, so there's something wrong with this function right here last time that was causing the burst to heckin' Neum. Oh yeah, hey Bubs, you want to see something absolutely terrifying? With this code error I have in my thing, the thing goes, the crows go heckin' Neum. Look at that. It's like actually terrifying. It's just bullet hell. And I have no idea if you're listening to dubstep. Let me see. Let's see. That is jungle. Like jungle drum and bass sort of stuff. Intergalactic ballistic ravens. Yeah. That's that's something I did by accident. So I don't know what happened, but yeah, that's what's going on with the ravens and my current logic. So I need to fix that. I described this earlier actually, but I'll describe it once again. So first off, here's the color wheel of like the available slots left. You sure know what jungle sounds like? Yeah, but I mean like it wasn't jungle, but like, you know, it's like a mishmash of like genres, right? Like it has jungle drum vibes. Like I don't know, man. Genres are a human-made concept. Anyway, so you can see the color wheel here that I have created. Can Amy Rose be the pink one? Yeah, let's just have a Amy Rose toss in here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna probably have something in there. I'm just not sure what. And then if you're wondering what this sort of blacked out area here is, it's because of the grass. I don't want the colors to conflict with the grass, so I want to go like I want that section to be blocked out. Anyways, what the plan was is, so this is a bit awkward to look at, so let me fix you. Oh, I did not mean to delete all of that. So the current Raven logic that I want to have is boink, delete. Yes, exactly. I'll make this game hypersexualized. Now where was I going with this? So where I was going with this is that, so what I want to do is like, if you imagine the screen is having like sort of like a center line like this on the two axes, what my plan is like, let us pretend we have a Raven that say spawns on like the red mark here, and then the player's position is say like here, right? What my plan is I want the Raven to move towards the player. And then once it gets to like within like a margin of like the player, I then want the Raven to be like, okay, and then I want the whatever axis it crossed, if it crossed any, if not, then the closest axis, and then I want to sort of arc the other way, like that. So another example, just to give you another example, is so like if we say like have another one like here, so like that's what the Raven spawns, the players say like here. And then, you know, like this is the margin area. Raven will go this way towards the player. Then it's like, okay, this is good enough. And then we can see that this is the closest point here. So then it would kind of arc up like that and off the screen. Not necessarily like a dive bomb. I want it to be kind of like a swoop almost, if that makes sense. So like the idea is like I almost want it to punish the player for bad positioning, right? So like the idea is like, you know, like, okay, so like let's say like the player's like right here, right? Like the bird's gonna fly this way, and then so then if the player like say huddles in this corner over here, the bird's gonna arc like this all the way over here. So the entities are gonna be on screen for a lot longer, thus punishing the player for like having like being against the wall. Kind of, not exactly, but kind of. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. It's a very dumb, not so elegant solution, but I think the idea makes sense enough. So that's currently what I'm working on. So I need to effectively think of some logic for that. That sounds not bad, thank you. Did I just crash Neo of him? No, I didn't. Okay, I don't know what I did then. Oh no, it's because Godot got angry. So their exit will be 90 from their entrance. Yeah, roughly 90. So right here I have this number 15708. That's roughly 90 degrees in radians. So basically what I'm just going to do is I'm going to say basically the turning radius will take this amount of time. So like once they hit that point, start turning, and if they go off screen during that time, then like so be it. So what I want to do now is I want to say, so like the X margin, so like I want to get like self dot position dot oh no, I want global position, self underscore global underscore position. So the global position, and then I need that to interact with what do you call it? I need that value, like the global position, to interact with the end underscore position. Both of these need to be the X. However, I want to see that the X position is has the margin added to it. So that'd be plus margin, margin. So the margin would then need to be, if it was added to, so like plus 10. So margin, or not plus part 10, because 10 is the margin default value. I'm assuming that's in pixels. And now that I think about it, margin should be a lot larger. Margin should be like 100. So, oh yeah, they also have a bit of like a randomness to their angle, so their angle isn't like beeline for the player. Their angle is like have a little variation. To add a little bit of spice. So let's see. Cause angle here. Yeah, should be equal to A10, and but then I also want to say times accuracy. Yeah, I think that makes sense. And then let's see. Yeah, that makes sense enough for now, because that's just the direction. And then from there, what I then want to do here under the linear velocity is I want to take the random range, min-max the velocities. With the velocities, oh no, I wasn't there. I was at the if statement down here. So if the bird is, I left and came back and read the chat. What's wrong with the chat, huh? Oh, I didn't realize Bubs this thing like 4 messages ago. Very good, Bubs. I don't know how, I just completely missed that message. Let's see, so plus margin. So the end position, I'm thinking if it's added to, that would increase on the Y. So if the, or not the Y, but it would effectively offset it either up or to the right. So if the player value is less than. And then I can yank paste you. I can find this. I can replace it with that. And I can say minus. Or yank. Did I do that right? I did do that right. Okay. And then real quickly here, we can just swap these out for Y. Like that. And then I don't know if you are correct. We'll move you back like this. So now what from here? So would Y be the same logic if the player's position Y is less than that? I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be opposite. I'm pretty sure this is going to be wrong. I'm going to say screw it and try it anyways, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be wrong. And we're going to see some more Newman birds. Yes. Okay. So that is wrong because we want to go like this, like this, like this, and then like that. And then we can give it a skibbity boobity babbity boobity ba, and we give it a root tap ta. Why is it erroring? What? Callable float and opera. Hey, where's the less than or equal to? There's like not a less than or equal to. I'm not calling it as a function time. Reload. I need to reload that. Let's see. You don't have to rub it in your face. Oh, you guys are chatting. Okay. I was so confused. I saw a chat message. I was like, huh? Look at these birds heckin' human. Oh, these little bats. Okay, so what am I doing? So I don't think I added the randomness properly. So the randomness, so I'm trying to find the angle, is equal to rand f times accuracy. Let's see, there's that. I think I made a particle accelerator. Yeah, I made a particle accelerator out of birds. The only issue is like when they hit like a plane, it, you know, it kind of recreates a whole thing that happened like 3 days ago. Not very fun. I almost just want to keep the birds like this, and instead of like have them be like serious, I want to just like replace it with like the car like sound effect. Just let's see. Okay. I don't know what song. Gravity Spotting Simulation. What did they do 3 days ago? Vine boom sound effect. Motherfucker coming out here like fucking The Rock. Whoa, wait. I just realized they really did just add the fucking rock as an emoji. They really did the whole like thing. Hey, you ever wonder if you know, The Rock got his nickname because he got like stung by a bee in the tongue? Like, you know, Dwayne The Rock. Do you smell what The Rock is sussing? Sussy Among Us? Let's see. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if this is passing. NYOOM. Because this should be good or bad. Let's see. Yes, they're Newman. Okay, there is a certified Neum happening. Let's see. Let's save. So we got a certified Neum happening. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna extract all of this into a function. I'm just gonna name this like func turn. Sure. I missed my scrolly braces, and then we're gonna paste that in, and then we'll go here, and then we'll back that into whoops, and then we'll go pass, just to declare that's the end. Okay, and then we'll break this into different sections. So we'll say like, hey, if this turn elif elif will be this one here, elif and then we'll call turn. That needs to be a function call, please and thank you. Elif turn boink boink and then elif boink boink and then turn what is that one about? I just realized that's almost always going to return true. You know what we're going to do is we're just going to comment that out because I don't know what I was thinking at the time. So we'll just leave that there, kind of hushy. We can delete you. We'll say if turn is called, we'll just say Neum. Alright, then I want to see, print, let's see, x plus m, x minus m, y plus m, and then we'll do y minus m, like that, and then we'll see what happens when that runs. What the heck are you guys doing? Bubs looks like a bub. Update on Markiplier FNAF ambience. They beat FNAF 234. Very good. I'm gonna mute the song here because on my end, not for you guys, but because I have very particular music taste kicking in right now, and I'm just itching to hear some things. Oh, Bubs, I just got Trip Sitter on my music. Mwah! Mwah! Oh my god, it's so good. Anyways, okay, so we are declaring on n minus m and n plus m. Okay, so those are backwards. I'm fading in and out of ecstasy. In the deep end. Love the water goes to me. Oh, it still is going for it? Really? At random? Okay, what the hell is wrong with this logic then? I'm in the deep end. Oh. Come on, high up, chipping day. Okay, what's going on here? So, margin plus 10. Maybe the assertion of 100 is not good. Maybe that's a very bad assertion, and I'm not realizing that. I hear 909 hats. Life is good, yes. So Crow's still Newman. Okay, what is going on here? Alright, let's turn off the accuracy variation entirely. Oh, I turned it off before. Look at that. Not even paying attention to my own code. Okay. So you have the variation turned off, which means that it's purely the Neum. You know what? I'm even going to comment out the turning. So that way I can hopefully see what the heck's happening. Alright, let's see what's happening. I'm gonna go try and recreate the melody, and I'll be back later when I give up. Fair enough. Well, you have fun doing that. Catch you around. I'm in the deep end. Another brave man undefined. I'm thinking in the my state of mind. I'm in the deep end. Oh. This song slaps so fucking hard. Okay, so... Alright, I'm gonna fix the crow thing real quickly, because that's going to be annoying either way, because I don't want crows drifting off into space. So, let's see. I'm just gonna call, on-screen exit, on_screen_ exited, because I am lazy. So now these crows should at least be despawning. I just want to make sure that they're spawning real quickly before I get to, cockle-wackle. Let's see, we should see crows the spawning in a second. Yeah, okay, so crows are despawning. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so there's that. So we got that fixed. Oh wait, I should double check that they actually, like, go away when, like, I die. Let's see. Alright, cool. They unload. Awesome. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we're at this point. So there's an issue with both the turn logic here, and there's an issue with these statements here. You know what I could do? Is I could totally just... I'm thinking of how performant I want to make this, because if I don't care about performance that much, I can make a pretty easy shortcut here. And then in taking that shortcut, I'm pretty confidently sure I can do something silly. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do that, I think. Collision shape 2D. But I probably want an area, don't I? Let's just see what nodes there are. Yeah. Let's do that. Area 2D. And then I'll just go to the inspector, I suppose. And then we want to change not the gravity. Collision? No. Input? No. Collision? Yes, let's set the collision mass to 1. I haven't really played with the collision mass too much, so I can't really say too much about that, but yeah. I'm back using my new water pick and soak myself in my bathroom. Yeah, that's how the water picks go. You seem to like you either have a great time or you get fucking water everywhere and you basically turn into fucking a water park in there. So one or the other. Let's see. I think I want area shape entered. Let's see. Emitted when a shape 2D of the received area enter the what? Area entered. Let's try that one. Does that one what I want? Emitted when received enter area is this area. Requires monitoring to be set to true. Okay. So, okay, monitoring's on, so that's good. So, per frame, we will just simply say, $, area 2D. I don't think I saved this yet, so let's save that. Area 2D. Let's re-in that. Area 2D. Okay, so no. So first we need to connect. So, let's see. Area 2D dot connect. We need to connect to the function area entered. Yeah, area underscore entered and then callable to self, and then we want to bind that to function trying to think where I want this to be. I'll say underscore on underscore area underscore entered. And then I will VI within the quotes. I'll yank it. I'll go to the bottom of the script. I'll go one above you because it makes sense. Func paste. That needs to be that. Then we'll do a pass here. Whoop. And then, okay, so on area entered, I then want to initiate the change. I'll say area underscore entered equals true. Area entered is not declared in this current scope. Okay, that's because I gotta declare it, you dummy. Let's see. Var area underscore entered is equal to false. Yeah, so area entered. So if area underscore entered entered is equal to true. It's so aggressive to commit. Yes, you do. Yeah, water picks are very fun. So let's see, if area is true, do all that logic. Else, actually no, that makes sense. Else, we want to say $area 2D dot global underscore position is equal to end underscore position. That makes sense. So what I'm basically doing here is this area 2D should have a points assigned to it. And then the sprite, what's the issue with you? It has no shape, so it cannot collide or interact with anything. So collision shape 2D. Okay, so let's do collision shape 2D. A shape, yeah, okay. I was just about to do that. Ow! Is it enough? Alright, let's zoom out. We'll make the collision shape like that big. And then we'll say the sprite will be the target. So that's going to be this thing here. And then I believe option was the universal scale option. Yeah, close enough. So roughly that is the boundary. And then I'm going to set the filter to nearest so it doesn't look like garbage. There we are. Okay. So what I should see is that on load with the bass, there should be a big target over like my character, and then when they hit that, I should see like the thing happen. That is very intimidating to look at when like at a glance. Let's see. This song kind of booty right now with my vibe. Ooh. Look for me. Okay, so let's see. We need to then do. It's shining like three seeds of pomegranate in my hands. It's just us and on this beach and no on this sand. All of this nada. I know, but damn. No, we ain't gonna touch it. And it was man. He said, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Then said, take it, take it, take it. I said, when we do this, really shouldn't we have waited? Okay, I need to edit this now because something's going on. I forgot, they don't like to collide with themselves, which is the issue. So how would I change that? I guess I could just make it absolute. No, it should be within a range. That's so silly. It's such a silly bean. Why is it such a silly bean? It should not be this silly of a bean. Go. It's been so long since we've been away from home. All the dogs and the gas one's gone. Blissfully knowing this shit's wrong. Been so long since we've been away from home. Alright, so you're not happy. So what are you not happy about? Connect. Because I deleted that, yeah. That might be a reason why it's not happy. In the night, spend the night, spend the night. You and you won't see it without open eyes. Close your eyes, close your sight, close your mind, close the mind. Okay, what's wrong here? Vector 2 based object null instance. Yes, that makes no sense for me to do now. So much logic I have to undo. Okay, so this is why I prefer NeoVim, because the navigation's so much easier. Okay, so we can dink you. We can dink you. We can go all of you. The little baby boys doing sleep and wiggling. That is so heckin' adorable. Night girl. And vibe, you can't sleep. Our clothes off. Feel so good inside. Night girl. It's been so long since we've been away from home. Just gonna come, desperately knowing this shit's gone. Alright, what's going on now? So... it's still an issue with the stupid, like, within range function, because... Okay, I'm gonna draw this out, because drawing things out normally helps me. So if I select everything, basically, let's lock the base layer. So if I select everything, and I do mean everything. Okay, so if I have, say, a point, like, say, like, right here. I'm going to change that to a white, because that is very tough to see. So if I have a point, like, say, here, and I draw a margin. So this would be X, X, that'd be, that'd be minus margin, this would be plus margin. And then same thing this way, plus and then minus. This would be minus, this would be plus. Okay, so from here, let's see, I want to find. Ooh, that's a good song. So then it's like player would be out here. So all of these values would be lesser. Like everything of this would be less. It would just be less across the board. So then once it gets here, so this would then be greater than a value. But then the issue is that if it's up here, then it would be completely greater until it's lesser. So I have to say, while player dot y is greater than x plus, our player dot y is less than x plus y, x minus. Okay. Okay, so let's see. So we got player position, if it's a plus, needs to be greater. And then if it's the other way, then it needs to be minus. And then same thing on the y. So if it's y, if it's added, it needs to be greater and lesser. I'm pretty sure the margin, though, is just being too big to say with absolute certainty. And I don't know the margin in the game world, so that's the issue. So, but this should be pretty much on brand. So I shouldn't see any laser crows. I'm seeing laser crows. It's me, an avalanche, flash freeze, never stood a chance. Bury me on the underground. You know what I could do, actually, is I could instead just completely forsake the margin. I could say if Snow White, my dozen surrounded by old white, wrapped around me snow blind. Alright, self dot position dot, I need global position, global underscore position dot x, and I need that like 4 times. Let's just do some of this. We'll do a quick shift A, or it's me, an avalanche, flash freeze, never stood a chance. No, because then that'd be greater than or less than. So it would be entirely dependent on the initial position. Alright, let's see. Alright, so this will be an easy thing. So then what I need to do is I need to go var move underscore dir is equal to an array, which I'll set as 2 strings, because strings are going to be easy enough. And then I'll just say default it to null, and then also null. So on null, okay, we're not gonna worry about you. Dig. I need to find one more good song. Good song. Ooh. I think I found one. You go, never kind of love, forever kind of love. Forever ain't long enough, never be enough, never be enough. Alright, so what I need to do now is I need to, on ready, I need to figure out the end position, like, directions going. So, so let's see, we're gonna say move, underscore dir, 0, so that would be x. Is equal to whatever, yank, if this thing, do that, else Yeah, you can do a thing, you can do a thing. And then I need to basically copy this once more, but then I also need to increment it. Whoop. F0RD, R1, R1. Okay, so then, if, n underscore pause is less than, oh no, it needs to be toggled, so it needs to be, is equal to left, right, left. Oh no, this would be up, and then this would be down. When you're holding me, fancy things. I don't even rings. I got all I need. Got all I need. All right. So end position is less than start position. Start underscore pause dot x. That would mean that it's going to the left, and then else would mean it's right. And then if end underscore pause dot y is less than start underscore pause dot y, this would actually be down, and then this would be up. Okay, that seems to be a heckin' vibe. So I think that works better. Okay. Alright, well, that doesn't do anything when it crashes, so, or that doesn't cause me crashing, so. Woo! Good song. Good music. Good music going back to back. Okay, so what I need to do now is in process. I need to say, if alright, yeah, so I need to go if thing, do thing. So if you know what I'll actually do is I'll do this because this will make my life a lot easier. I'll say if actually I'll do this. I'll do a match statement. Match move underscore dir is the broken iPad just a broken iPad because you're on stream on Twitch? Yeah, pretty much. I've been kind of meaning at some point to like hook up YouTube integration stuff, but like that's a huge pain in the ass, honestly. And YouTube really doesn't support it, so that's kind of where the sort of dichotomy is. Like, Twitch has like a really good streaming ecosystem, but it has like no discoverability, and then YouTube's kind of the opposite of that. So it's like, what the hell, man? Dream, you and me, we're not somewhere in Joshua Tree, discussing all these little things, how they used to be. All those records and constellations stuck inside my imagination, running wild, running through the light. Oh, these dreams may fade, and only time will tell. We forever real. I'm just gonna change this into a statement. See two grown-ups playing make-believe. Are we truly meant to be? Is equal to left. Else. Understand one again someday. Let's see. So if move direction is left, if records and dirty t-shirts, so reminders what we were. We throw them all away. These dreams may fade, and only time will tell. Forever real, but Is this all a fallacy? Do grown-ups playing make-believe? Are we truly meant to be? Then we can do that one. A fallacy. Two grown-ups playing make-believe. Were we truly meant to be? Let's see. So we can just do RY, 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 RY. Okay, so then F0 R1. No, that's a 2. That's there we are. These dreams may fade, and only time will tell. We forever real. This love fallacy. Two grown-ups playing make-believe. Were we truly meant to be? Let's see, I'm gonna yank you, I guess. Yank, paste, paste, paste. Cool. Oh, no, I want to keep that function actually. Then I want to call turn. Turton. No, I have turn. Indent doesn't match the previous indent level. What are you talking about? There's a new statement right there. Oh, I see. It's one too far in. Ah, yeah, you can be yeeted. I think this should work now. I think these are going to be more teleporting crows, but they should work. Knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock on wood. I missed the air code there because I was distracted by something. Float and nil operator on something. Float on linear velocity, right turn. Tropicana. Cabana. Floating on flamingos. And the mangoes. Harder than Mojave. Sweeter than agave. Alright, I need to stop singing and I need to start focusing. I need to make progress! Okay, so we are currently having the issue on line 81, which is here. So self.linear velocity equals vector 2 right dot rotated, A10. So it's having an issue with the vision function here, which is the end time. Oh, I see I didn't assign end time. So, no, it is assign end time. Oh, because I need to say not equal to null. Durr. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Come on, give me. Whoop, we got laser crows. We got mini Neumes. Those ones aren't Newman though. Oh, is it maybe a direction thing? Is it maybe a direction thing? Oh! Oh my god, that's terrifying. Oh, that's actually scary. Holy shit. Oh, they're creeping. They're creeping. They're creeping. They're creeping. Come on, you got it. Why are you slowing down, huh? Why are you slowing down, huh? Got it. Dude, that's evil. What, just the crows that teleport? I think the crows bumped into each other, so I do need to fix that, sadly. Collision? I don't think that's what I need to do, but let's see more teleporting crows. Let's see the teleporting crows. This is like on like a game where you have like a launch pad and then they just like you like step on it and it's just like Okay, that's fun. Let's see. Okay, so there's an issue with the logic. Literal kamikaze. I think it's like a step past kamikazes. I think it's like the whole particle accelerator thing. I think it's like jumping in the particle accelerator. Just freaking. Ooh, that's a song I like. Okay, so what's the issue here? So the Y logic. So if the this down in self is greater than. Oh, I see. No wait. So I think you just need to be flip. Oh yeah, because you're just doing the same thing. I didn't flip you. So, if they move to the left. Yeah. Okay. That I think should fix the bug. Not more than you bargained for yet. I'm just trying to tell you anything you wanna hear, 'cause that's just who I am this week. Lying around, dishing a mausoleum. Alright, I got these backwards. I'm done. Whoops. Take your name. And then shipping years and shipping for the wrong team. We're going down, down, and we're around. And sugar, we're going down, swinging. Number one with your bullet. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Print. Let's see. I'm just gonna say, left. Else would be, print. Right. Then you bargain for yet. I'm just launching you two from the closet. Itching to be the friction in your jeans. Let's see. Down. And then this one is print. This one will be up. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, fuck you, Bubs. I'm in good mood. I think it'd be a little less cringe if I actually had music playing, but yeah. Let's see. Okay, so it's default on the left. Okay, so I'm looking around, sugar, we're going down swinging. Okay, where are we at? So there we are. Boink boink, and then I think you'll still work. You are just saying. But you know what? We got no viewers, so I can get bullied for it later, I guess. Around, we're going down swinging. Let's see. I want to see some. Oh, they knew him. They knew. Oh, they knew him. Oh my god. It's like they explode on hit. Like click, bang. That's a little terrifying. Down, down, baby, look around. Come on, let's see more neumes. Let's see more neumes. More neumes. Nice. Oh, this curve got bumped. Okay, so let's see. So is there like a linear dampening that I can turn off? I think you just need to slow it down so the player can understand what's happening. Oh yeah, no, that isn't intentional. To be very clear. But that's not intentional at all in the slightest. That is what we call a fuck up. What I want to do is I'm just gonna adjust the minimum speed to be like 250. Because I think what's happening is they're landing towards the lower end of the value, and it's just like the initial angular like velocity or like linear dampening is just killing it. Stopping. Yeah, so we were terrifying. Yeah, that's scary. Are you two gonna trigger? You two should trigger. Well, there's one. Are you going to hit it? See, why is there like linear dampening on this? There shouldn't be linear dampening. Accuracy margin. Okay, yeah, those are all custom set. Mass 0? If I change it to 1, will it... Well, no, that should make it stop faster, but I guess we'll see. No, it doesn't seem to really be doing anything. Okay. Mass distribution, center mode, auto, can't sleep. Don't care about freeze mode. Solver. Custom integrator. No, I don't care about any of that. It should be linear, like angular. There shouldn't be any dampening. Let's see. Whatever. We'll go from here. You know what? I think it's working enough. I think we can just roll with it. And then we can worry about the teleporting birds first, and then worry about that after. Let's see. So we need to go into... okay, so all this is working. It's the issue with the turn. So... effective everything, all this other stuff. Yep, okay. So... I should be adjusting the ATAN value. Am I time using or... Nope, I'm doing that. See, I was trying to get an average here, but I don't think the average is working for some reason. So what if we just do the randef thing? And go for that. Randef. You can have that. I actually don't want that. I want that. Randef, underscore range. Alright. That should hopefully fix the Newman bad issue. Okay. So... that actually almost works perfectly to a point. I almost kind of like that, actually. I'm not sure if I want to keep that, but I think if I crank up the minimum speed to like 400, make these like a panic, and then like make this like 600. Let's see. Whoa, there's Speedy. Whoa, there's Speedy. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, that's actually a little bit hectic. I like it. Because you get, like, overwhelmed almost, and it's just like, ah! What would be something that would move like that, though, like, loosely? Like, what was something that would have, like, a hard pivot like that? Because I know Crow definitely wouldn't have that. What would be an animal that moves like that? Hawk? I don't really want to go for a hawk because I feel like that would move too fast, or like not, or like be too like hard to read. Like, yes, I can distinguish it with colors, but yeah. 10 seconds till you go, and then you coming back again. I'm almost thinking like a dog or like a horse or something that like runs in and like quickly pivots. You coming back again? Oh, do you have idea? Lizard. Ooh. Ooh, you gave me idea. Okay, 1 second. Bubs, you spawned something. You gave me a brain hole, think. What happens next is your fault. Wait, what I need to do next is I need to do file, new. We'll do this. It will be a lizard, but you gave me brain hole. Think. Oh, dude, this is gonna be mean. Like in a good way. Like it'll be like neat. A headache with pictures. Yes, that's the word. Okay, so I'm thinking. What we can do is we can do something kind of like, say, kind of like this, and then, you know, something kind of like that, and then, you know, body kind of like this, and then we'll go kind of like this for like the little body, and we'll go kind of like that-ish, and we'll go kind of like that-ish. What am I trying to think of? Kind of like that-ish. I'm super bad at drawing a lizard type thing. Kind of like leg thing down there. And then I'm thinking like the little dude can be like kind of like this. And then we'll erase the spine. And we'll instead kind of draw like a little back thing. And then we'll kind of go like that. And then we'll make you a bit smaller because I was bad at planning. Yep. Can't really. There we are. Make it a little bit longer. Go kind of like there-ish. Make you paintable. And then we'll go kind of like that-ish again. Whoop. Kind of like that-ish. Kind of like there-ish. Let's see, and I'm thinking kind of something kind of like there-ish. Little lizard dude. Little boinkage. The lizard man. The lizard man. Let's see. Let's fill all this in. I'll erase just a little bit of use so the tail end isn't as obvious. Markiplier FNAF Ambience Update, Markiplier Beat FNAF 2, 8020 mode. Very epic. That is some grade A suffering. Let's see. Let's see, we're gonna go like that-ish. There we are. And we'll kind of erase that so it's a little less gankage. There we are. And then I think I'll add just a little bit of some of this. Something kind of like that, I think. There we are. We have a little lizard dude. And then I have enough room for the tail over here. So I can make the tail a little longer. Let's see. Doodle. Lizard, yes. Okay, so let's see, we need new frame. And then we want duplicate frame? Yeah. And then we want to limit this to be 1 frame long. And then on this one, we then want to then erase this. And then we want to go, say, kind of like that-ish. So now I want to kind of exchange the sides. So now it's like a little arm right here. And then little leggy boy, kind of like here-ish. And then I instead want this arm right here to be doing a big ol' motherfucking reach. Kind of like there-ish. Let's see. Let's see. And then just extend this leg out. Let's see. Lizard man. Little lizard man. Alright, so now we have a little lizard man. Let's see the little lizard man shake his booty. Yeah. Perfect. Oh my god, that was way better than I was expecting. That's really fucking funny, actually. I love it. You'll see in a second, Bubs. Just trust me, it'll be worth it. Save as lizard. Holy shit, that was funny. Oh my god, that was beautiful. Let's see. Render animation. Don't worry, Bubs. You'll appreciate it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Whoops. Don't want to drag that in. Okay. So what I'm going to then do is I am just going to duplicate the crow scene. And then alter that a little bit. Resources, lizard copy. So congratulations, you're being reformatted to lizard. Whoop, I don't want to do that. I want you, lizard. Alright, so let's see. I want instead for... Alright, now I need to change the animation frames on, not this. I want to open up the lizard text scene. And then I instead want the lizard. I want to close the crow scene because having the crow scene open is going to mess with me. Alright, go away. Alright, we got that, okay. Lizard, animation, sprite, okay. So, Bubs, are you ready for amazingness? So you can see here we have like the little lizard sprite, right? The little man. So, 1 second. I need just one little thing. Yeah, this will be. Alright, and then what I need to do is on ready, I need to set, what is it? It's like, $, animated, sprite, 2D, dot, animation, I think? Is it just play? I think it's literally just play and then, like, default. I think that's literally what the syntax is. Alright. Now we should see those are crows. I do not want to spawn crows. I wish to spawn the lizards. Alright, let's see. Crow scene var lizard underscore scene equals preload. I'm just gonna be lazy. The text scene, please. Okay. Oh wait, Bubs. I'm sorry for teasing, but I don't think you're ready for this. Lizard scene. Lizard. Yeah. Alright, Bubs. Once I fix this issue, it should be big. Let me double check. Yeah, it'll be big enough here. You know what? I'll change the scene so you can see it better. Let me do this real quickly. Okay, we're gonna hop into the void real quickly. Or not the void. We want the close up. I believe not the close up. We want the app capture. God damn it. Okay, we're back. You want the void, but instead of this, I want this to be replaced with the display capture. Yeah. Where are... Oh, I see. We're so zoomed in. Okay. That's fine, though. This should be perfect. You ready? So let me do a little test. Oh, yeah, that's almost perfect. All right, Bubs. Is thine anus ready? This is like as big and perfect as I can make it. Whoop. Are you ready? Oh, the animation isn't playing. Fuck. Sorry, one second. This has a point. Trust me. This is gonna be worth. Okay. Where is it? It's lizard. Animated sprite 2D dot. Is it just animation? Dot animation. Fuck, how do I play? How do I play a thing again? It's supposed to be like on ready. It's supposed to be do a thing, and then you do a thing, and it makes me happy. E is so that's the sound, not the animations. Sprite frames. Why is it called sprite frames? Whatever. Animate sprite 2D dot play. Alright, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do some I'm not a lizard, I'm a crow. Oh god, the lizard needs the fucking lizard script too. God damn it. Not the other script. It needs the lizard. It needs the ligard. Animate sprite 2D dot play. Not battle animations. It's going to be. Is it labeled battle animations? No, it is not. Okay, so that'd be. What would that be? It would be play as the thing goes. Also make the front face the deer. What? What you talking about? Sorry. Dot play. It should be just that. Alright, hopefully this works. Fingers crossed it works. Alright, we should be on the blessed. No existing thing in play. Okay, what the hell is it? It's like dot sprite underscore frames dot animation dot play. And I think default. Reload. Oh yes, that is because those are not regular lizards; those are horny lizards. Wait, what? I just want to play. I just want it to play. I don't want anything else. I just want to go. No, what is it supposed to be? So it's supposed to be if I go to battle. So, no, go away. Unselect, there we are. So we go to here, we go to here, we go to here, we go to, this, we go to this. We'll space that out, so we'll say, lizard animations, and then, lizard animations, lizard. That should be... Alright, this should work. Let's see what happens. Yeah! We got some aggressive little gamers. Look at those little dudes. I don't want into the deer. Look at that dude over there. They're just cruising. They're minding their own business. That's fucking awesome. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god, I want to see that again. I'm sorry. Just fucking... Come on. Where's the Liz? Where's the lizards? Yeah! like I wanted to go higher production value, but I'm not sure now if I can. Holy shit, this is fucking awesome. Holy shit. Dude, I think I fucking peaked. I think this is where like I fucking like wrong camera. There we are. Let's turn the lights back on. There we are. Dude, I think I fucking peaked. Like we do not need higher production value. The lizard is complete. Yeah. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Like I kind of almost think it'd also be very funny to like make everything high production value, but then like make the lizard just like skittery as fuck like that. Okay, let's see. I can make the lizard slightly prettier. I can make the thing slightly prettier. Let's see. Okay, so let's just do if moving. So default orientation is left. So if moving left. Sorry, if moving right, then what would it be? It would be $ animated sprite 2D dot flip underscore H, and then if moving down $animated sprite 2D dot flip underscore V. Okay, this should be slightly better. High production in your eyes, absolute masterpiece, thank you. Can I flip V in an object null B? Do I have to call it with like a function? I don't recall how to call this. Is it a function call? Like I'm toggling the binary? Here, I'll change the scene back to like the close-up. There we are. So now we're back up close, nice and personal. Is the lizard doing the proper skitter? Let's see. Whoop. There. Alright. Equals true? Is equal to true? I really don't know how to call this. It's coming up somewhat proper, so you think it would come up. Yeah! Okay, so that would be, all I have to do is just flip the up down now, so that would be just like that. Doink. Beautiful. Let me add some semicolons for my mental sanity. Whoop. Listen, it's like a period in a sentence. It just looks wrong if you don't have it. Whoop, let me reset this. Let's see what we got. Yeah, there's the skitter. Flip V. Why can't I flip V? What? 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 You have it. No, that's literally just the name. Holy crap. Copy value. Paste value. What? Copy value. Okay, I refuse to believe I'm doing that wrong. So that looks like the proper call. So then what the heck? Even though if I select flip H, that should be flip H now. Right, now there's nothing coming up. Okay, so what if I do it like this? Copy value, paste the value, nothing's happening. Why are you doing this to me? Okay, that's awesome. Let's go back to this, I guess. Okay, so why the hell is this not flipping? What? Why the heck are you not flipping, huh? Why are you not flippy? Why do you not do the flippy, huh? How did I do the flippy? I did the flippy before. I don't know where I did the flippy. Did I not do a flip on the bat? I could have sworn I did a flip. Did I not flip the bat? Did I not flip the bats? Bats no flip? We'll just do this, I guess, so I can just see, because I could have sworn the bats flipped based on screen config. There we are. Oh, the bats are flipping. Look at that. I thought I flipped them. Maybe it's just the angry ones that I had to flip on. Let's see. Blink. Okay, there we are. I could have sworn that I flipped the bats. Flip. No? Alright. Flip. Alright. Alright, sure. I guess we're not flipping no bats. Okay. Let's see. I really like you to make this work. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. As you can tell, I am professional game developer. It is one of those things where I am truly untouched. I am the next John Carmack. Godot animated sprite 2D flip underscore H. That should take me to here. That's not what I was looking for, but sure, that'll at least show me an example of it. Sprite.flip H equals false. True. Okay, that seems a lot simpler than what I was doing, because sure, I guess? I'm just gonna quit out of there. I don't want to do anything with you. Quit. Okay, we will move that back into there. We'll look for, lizard.godot. That is, okay, that is quite literally what I'm doing. Was that not what it... If sprite.flip H equals false is... What is happening? What is happening with you? Why? Who did this to you? I did this to you because I made you. But, like, you don't have to do it back to me. Oh, crap. Yank, paste, FV, RH, there we are. Okay, that should really be working. Oh, it's because the D is lowercased. It's because the D is lowercased. So, because the D is lowercased, that's gonna do a thing. Yeah! Okay. Let's punch back in for the demo. I need to re-enable this because, of course, I do. Less than 10. Greater than 10. All right, let's see the skidder. Come on, show us the skidder. Show us the skids. Show us the skiddy doops. Yeah! Oh, that's fucking awesome. Oh, that's fucking awesome. Oh, that's fucking art right there. We got some angry little... Look at that little guy go! Look at him! Oh, look at him! He just taking off. He don't care. He don't care. He having a good time. He cruising. He vibing. He having a good time. Okay. So what I then need to do is... Okay, so I need to make it so that when they turn... there's the... What do you call it? They turn and then they, like, recalculate their position. So... how would I do that? I could very easily just do, radians on, radians to degrees. I just want to see, so... okay, so... let me actually punch back up, because I realize it's probably hard for you to see. Room dark. There you are. So... range is a pi-based thing. See, I don't want, like, the mathematical formula shit. I want, like, just the number. So, like... radians as number to degree. Okay, so it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 6. Yes, that makes a pi or thing, whatever. So it goes up to 6, so I would just do 6.3. 6.3 divided by 2. Or sorry, divided by 4. Or something like that. Let me rediddle my doobers. There we are. Okay, so then after this, I want to see if what would it be? What do I want to else if it? We can do a match case on this, I guess. Let's see. So we'll just do this. We'll cut you out. We'll say var direction is equal to that. Right now I need a miracle. Right now I need a miracle. Alright, so now the direction. We'll pass the direction to the match statement. We'll say case. Oh no, because the case has to be specific. God damn it. Okay, yeah, we'll do if statements. Whoops. Let's see. So if what would it be? It would be if direction is less than I'm just gonna refer to this. I'm just gonna refer to the scale and have magic numbers. 1.6. Okay, so 1.6. So 1.6 on the radiant compass would be upper right, or like, yeah, upper right. So that'd be flip H would be $, animate square 2D dot flip underscore H equals true. Then now I need to copy all of this into a new elif. Blank, blank. And then now all of you need to be shift tabbed, or not all of you, just you, because of course. Okay, so let's see, we got 1.6, then we have 3.1. 3.1, by comparison, that should be 3.2. No, wait, hold on a second. 1.3. Oh, 4.7, because I was doing multiplication. 3.1, and then it's like 4.2. Well, 4.2. Let's see. Elif. Whoops. Go away, please. Elif. And then we'll say else. Because that should be that. Okay, so it should be true, false, false, true on these. I need to switch over to Western because this is painful. Alright, let's see. So we're going down here. False, false, true, and then we'll yank paste you. We'll F to H, arc the vertical. So that'd be vertical, vertical, downwards. So this would actually be true, and then these would actually be false. Oh, false. False. I think now the sprite should update to be proper. Ideally, knock on wood and all that. Let's punch in for you all. Alright, so we should see the lizards change directions, like, appropriately. Oh, one changed. So I seem to the verticals goofed, I think. Let's try that again. Let's see what we got. So the initial stuff's fine. Okay, yeah, so the vertical seems to be wrong, but the horizontal seems to be correct. Okay, so vertical's wrong, horizontal's correct. Oh my gosh, Neovan! I don't... care about you. Okay, so okay, so we want true, true, false, false. Alright, that should be good now. We got some lizards. Okay, okay. I want to see the proper scuttles. I want to see the proper scuttles. Yeah. Oh, the horizontal's a bit wrong though when going vertical. Okay, so the horizontal is wrong sometimes. Okay, there was definitely an error there. I need to re-observe that error. Let's see what happened. So bottom right's correct, upper right is wrong. Upper right and lower left. Okay, so upper right and lower left. So I think you'd be false. Alright, here, let's do this. Print. Actually, no, let's just brute force this, I suppose. True. Right, those statements are the same, so that... Alright, I need to look up the godot radians origin. Godot radians origin direction. Sorry, I have not been paying too much attention to chat because I've been slamming my head against this issue. Oh, they're perfect. I believe Godot has his magic number constant in it somewhere. Yeah, there's quite a few magic numbers in programming. It's very fun. I'm assuming Godot actually probably goes upper top first, so let's actually just base it off of that. I need Neovim. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that it starts up. So let's just do up first. So upper right would be true, false. Yep. And then, so that would then be lower right. So that'd be true, true, I think. Then it would be false, true, false, true, and then false, false, I think. False, false. Alright, is this the right little wiggle direction? Let's see. Let me do the punch-in for y'all. Okay. So the verticals are basically all wrong, but the horizontal seems to be right. Okay. Alright, so this would be false. This would be true. False. And then true. There we are. Whoop. Save. Okay, let's see. I want to move this down real quickly. Why YouTube chat can I not scroll down? Okay, I guess I can't move YouTube chat there for whatever reason. That's awesome. I guess I gotta do something slightly different. So we'll do scenes can go over here. Okay, back to the zoom in. Punch in. Let's see if this works. Celebration time or no? Celebration time? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, we got some lizards. We got some lizzies. The vertical's wrong. Somewhat. It's half wrong. Okay, so it's very awkward to debug, honestly. Okay, so that would be that the, how do I do this? So the upper, what was it? It was the upper right, I think, is going wrong. Whoops. Boink. Okay, so what specifically is going wrong? So the initial spawns are good. So lower right is upper left good. Is lower right good? No. Wait, lower left and lower right. Okay, so both of the downs are wrong. So I think that I flipped these and I think we're okay. This is a weird thing to like try debug. Okay, so I think that fixed the statement. The big issue that I have is I don't know where like godot actually starts anything, like the angle, so it'd be very easy for me to figure out if I just knew that. Okay, so upper right is good. So it's lower left and is it lower right? Is it lower left or lower right? I want to see the lizard do thing. Okay, so lower left. So what should be down and left? So this would be false and this would be true? No, that doesn't make any sense. See, like, where is the origin? Like, what direction is this? You know what I'll do is I'll do this. I'll do, nah, that'd be a pain in the ass. I was thinking, I was like, oh, I'll just do this and, like, get that as a rotation thing, but, like, nah. You know what I could do is I could literally just set the rotation based on, like, the thing. Like, I could be just a lazy sack of something. I could do, like, if I go into here, I could do that, and I can literally just say, like a sprite dot, or, what is it? It's, $sign, sprite, yeah, I guess we'll do that one. Whoop, animate sprite 2D, dot rotation, is equal to dir. Let's see how that looks. Maybe this will be something neat. It might be something annoying, but it might be something neat. Let's see. Okay. I think that's wrong by almost like 90 degrees. Yeah, okay, so I think I need the right. Vector dot rotation equals dir plus I think like 1.6. Because magic number, because, you know, radians. Let's see. Let's see what these boys give us. Head tilt. Okay. So not quite. I think I was on the right track. Maybe minus 1.6? Because direction should be in radians. So let's try this, see if this works. That rotation just didn't really seem quite accurate enough. Let's see. Dirt. Okay. So that seems to be a very... I'm definitely fighting myself a little bit. So I'm off by like a half rotation. So let's do like maybe just one. Like 1.0. Whoop, cancel. Save, run.
Let's see how the little lizards do here. Let's see how the little lizard mans do. Let's see how they do the wiggle. Do the wiggle, man. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Oh wait, no. So just the verticals need to be flipped. I think. No. Okay. They're just just make them forever spin. Let's see. Let's see. We can try. Rigid body 2D dot angular. Is there like angular? Can I set like angular? Oh, I guess it'd just be self. Self dot angular underscore velocity dot I think x. is equal to 100. You're about to get your wish, Adam. Wait, what's wrong with this? Is it just a constant value? I honestly have no idea. Let's see if this works. Oh my god. Okay, that needs to be a wee bit slower, but I think that's perfect actually. I think this is hey, it isn't failing to remember if you never learned in the first place. Hell yeah. Hey Bubs, I'm not sure if you're around, but you're gonna want to see this. We have made some very upset lizards. The lizards are not very happy. Oh, Bubs literally just messaged me very conveniently. They are away from the stream. Here, we're gonna wait here patiently until Bubs is in the stream. Let's see. Bubs is gonna absolutely love this. Adam, I don't know what you're thinking. I think you're just I think you have a bad mind connecting some dots that shouldn't be connected. I'm just saying lizards like southern. You know, you got like merce, you got them lizards, you got them roots. We are just gonna wait here patiently for Bubs to show up because this will be very beautiful. Come on, Bubs. Come on, Bubs. You can do it any minute now. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bubs. You can do it. Come on, Bubs. You can do it. Come on. Trust. We're waiting on you, Bubs. Come on. Where's the Bubs?
Come on, Bubs! Holy shit!
Bubs. Bubs, come on. Come on. Come on. This is the highlight of the stream, Bubs. Come on, you gotta get over here. You gotta get over here and check this out. It's that good.
Come on! You can do it!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, Leon. Oh, dude, you're gonna love this when it's time. You're gonna be erratic. Dang, I guess Bubs just hates fun. That's no fun. Well, I guess we can just delete and never do it. Tisk tisk. Alright, let's do a quick punch out so you guys can see the whole stream real quickly. Boink. There we are. Hell yeah. Yeah, Bubs sucks. There's not much we can do about it. I'm thinking what I might do though is I'm not sure how possible this is. I'm curious if you can color the sprites differently, because what I'm thinking is that on spawn I can spawn different types of lizards which will respond in different ways, so it's kind of like a modifier like on their current behavior. Godot, hue, rotate, sprite. It would be very fun to have rainbow lizards. Apparently you could use a shader. I don't know how to shader. Godot make shader. I legitimately have no idea how to do did that not search? Godot shader intro. Your first shader. Awesome. My first 2D shader, please. Introduction, what are shaders set up? Do not go into this rabbit hole. What are you talking about? Shaders breaking minds. I have no idea what you're referring to. I just want to make a gay little lizard. That's all I want to do. Shader type canvas item, void fragment, color vector 4. I'm guessing the 4th is for alpha. Void fragment color equals vector 4 UV T5. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. Let's see. Can I just... Alright, here. This is what I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna just attempt to just copy this code raw, and then we'll do something in just a second, because holy crap, I'm not actually opposed to getting into shaders, but like considering the stream is about to end soon, I really don't want to dive into that. Let's see, duplicate the shader so that change the parameter doesn't change. What? Spider. This makes me concerned they're like a bot. Oh no, it's okay. This is the person who made this. I thought it was. I thought this was like something else for a second. I was like, let's see. Texture repeat material. New shader material. I'm guessing. How do I make a shader? I'm gonna name this one gig underscore lizards. Let's see, gay lizards.gd shader. Ah, yes. So we're just gonna paste that in real quickly. Yep. And we'll see what happens. Let's do a quick little punch in. Wee! Woo! They're having a fun time. Okay, so let's see what this guy actually said in their comments, because that might actually be important. Duplicate the shader so that change the parameters and copy the express on the shader. Generally done underscore ready. So duplicate the shader so that changing this parameter doesn't change anything. Okay, so that would be that. Okay, so I'm guessing they want this done in like the GD script. So I'll toss this in the top of like dot ready. Shader coding is its own world of suffering. Yeah, I remember seeing this one meme that was something along the lines of like when you see your friend who's in a shader class like make like this triangle, and all you can do is be happy for them. Let's see, var hue equals that. What's wrong with okay, you're supposed to be indented, so let's go back tab. Let's save. So $, the sprite. So it'd be $, animated sprite 2D. Set material equals $, animated sprite 2D. Get material duplicate equals true. Not saying it's wrong to make the rainbow lizard by making the shader, but you could probably just make a color shift by update using alert. Probably, but I don't know like anything about this shit right now, so I'm just gonna just plug in the values and hope that it works, and then we'll go from there. Let's see. Let's see. So we got that, we got we got just gotta plug this back in again. Animated sprite 2D, material, shader param, shift 2, rand hue. Okay, this was literally like 2 lines, so I don't see why this couldn't work. This might not work, but I have no idea what's going wrong here. Non-existent context on shader param and base shader material. Okay. What is that though? Maybe it wants to like, get material as in like that? I also have no idea what I'm doing. Like actually like -1 idea. Let's see. Because you missed the best thing, Bubs. And you will forever be upset. Let's see. Okay, we're on the lizard script. Okay, so yeah, Bubs, you unironically missed like something amazing. Okay, Bubs, are you ready? Are you ready? I have set it up. We are now good to go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for heaven? You have reached nirvana. You have exited bathroom hell, and you have now ascended. Check it. check it. The lizards. They have learned acrobatics. We are doomed. We taught them cartwheels. We have taught the lizards how to do cart. They're not shurikens. What are you talking about? I don't see anything wrong here. See absolutely nothing wrong here. It's just a little lizardkin. Oh. It's my greatest idea. People will write about it in the history books. Yeah. Yeah, not wrong. Not wrong. So, Bubs, what do you think? Game's pretty epic right now, right? Pretty amazing. I know. It's hard to match this level of, you know, awesome. I think I've made an entire platoon of lizards. We have taken a reptile which cannot throw up, and we have made it throw up. Heck yeah! Whoop! I accidentally restarted. Whoop! Look, it looks like the deer is just upset, and it just decides to throw him. The deer has given up. The deer has resorted to violence. It is tired of being bullied. Oh. That's it, it's over. The deer learned karate. I like the little skittle with them at like a super slow speed. Just like a little I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you. Add grass that you can't touch. I'm planning to at some point, but we'll get to that. Do you smell what the deer is cooking? Wait, sorry. Do you smell what the deer is cooking? Yeah. Well, anywho, I think that was a fun little stream. I think that's also where we're going to end it. So, hey, thanks everybody for tuning in. Feel free to, you know, subscribe and or like. It is free. And, hey, yeah, I'll be streaming again tomorrow from 7 to 11 PST. Hope you all had fun. We will figure out what the hell we're doing then. Yeah. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Happy seeing you around. And, yeah, I'll be, I don't know, fucking, I'm bad at outros, okay? Bye.